Hello, this is Mark LaRochelle from Productive Computing and Productive Computing University. Thanks for joining us on this video. If you find yourself in a position where you've inherited a Claris FileMaker Pro system and you're wondering what to do next and where to turn for resources, help, and guidance, then this video is for you. Let's dig in. So before we walk through your options, there's one question you need to answer first, and it's less about FileMaker and more about you. How involved do you want to be? Because that single question will determine everything else. So let's think through this. Do you want to become a full-blown FileMaker developer? Someone who understands the system inside and out, can design the architecture, write the scripts, and own it in a way that it might have been done in the past? Or do you want to learn enough to be an informed collaborator? Someone who can have intelligent conversations about the system, evaluate decisions, direct the work, but not be the full-time developer? That's not to say you couldn't do light development, but this is to say you don't want to be the sole developer, sort of a hybrid. Or is your honest answer that you don't have the time, the desire, or it's simply outside the scope of your job role to do any development, and instead your job is to communicate what the business needs and make sure it gets done? So there's no right or wrong answer here, but your answer will point you directly to the right path forward. Let's walk through each one now. Path 1. Become the full-time developer. The first path is what we call the full-time developer, and it means rolling up your sleeves and becoming the FileMaker developer yourself. This means taking full ownership of the system, understanding how it's built, learning how to maintain it, and eventually being able to modify and grow it in a way it may have been done in the past. Now, I want to be honest with you. FileMaker is not a platform you pick up in a weekend. It has a real learning curve. And there's a reason why Claris created Claris Academy and why we have Productive Computing University. There is a lot to learn. You can absolutely start at the beginning and start simply, but there's almost no end to what you can build and how deep you can go. That said, it's also one of the most rewarding platforms to learn, and once you know it, it becomes an incredibly valuable skill set that makes you indispensable to your organization. This path is the right fit if you have a genuine technical curiosity, if your role gives you the time to invest in learning, and if your organization supports that investment. So where do you start? Claris actually offers a surprising amount of free training and learning lessons found at claris.com. Claris Academy has self-paced courses for all skill levels and provides micro-certifications in many different aspects of the platform. Then there's Claris Explorer Labs, where you can participate in scheduled interactive webinars taking a particular topic to a deeper level. And Claris Office Hours gets you a free 30-minute coaching session with a Claris expert. They also have Community Live for live streams, and the Claris community forums are among the most active in the low-code world. All free, all available right now. When you're ready to go deeper or get more formal about your training, we offer a full curriculum at Productive Computing University, courses from beginner level all the way through certification taught by certified FileMaker developers. And you can find that at productivecomputinguniversity.com. And if you get stuck along the way, we offer hourly development support at Productive Computing. Think of it as a safety net. You're doing the work, but when you hit a wall, one of our certified developers can jump on a call and get you unstuck. Path 2, the liaison collaborator. The second path is what we call the liaison collaborator, and it sits between being a full-time developer and having no technical involvement at all. You're learning enough to stay engaged, ask reasonable questions, and direct the work, but you're not the sole developer, and you're not expected to be. If you find this path is for you, we recommend starting with 3 courses at Productive Computing University. First, Getting Started with the Claris Platform, a free course that gives you a bird's eye view of the ecosystem and how everything fits together. From there, a user's guide to Claris FileMaker Pro will get you navigating any FileMaker solution with confidence. And the FileMaker Pro Beginner course introduces you to fields, layouts, and basic structure with hands-on lessons, enough to understand how the system is built without needing to build it yourself. And that's where our maintenance support program becomes a natural fit. For a flat monthly fee, you get a consistent way to handle ongoing development needs, a defined process for submitting and completing small tasks with a team of certified FileMaker developers who understand how to maintain, troubleshoot, and improve real-world systems. You can submit an unlimited number of requests each month, as long as each takes less than 2 hours, covering minor bugs, small improvements, or wish list features. It's a structured, low-pressure way to keep your system healthy while you're still finding your footing. You also get regular meetings to review what's been done, what's next, and a free solution health assessment when you first enroll. And of course, you'll need a development partner or firm to work alongside you. We'll cover how to find the right one in just a moment when we talk about the next path. Path 3, Pure Project Manager. The third path is what we call the Pure Project Manager. And it's for the person who's honest enough to say, I don't have the time, the interest, or it's simply outside my assigned role to learn any of this. I just need it handled. My job is to know what the business needs, as well as what the users of the system require, and be able to communicate that clearly to whoever is doing the development work. Since you're not doing any development yourself in this model, you need a development partner you trust completely. This could be an internal hire, a contractor, or even a Claris partner firm like ours. What matters here is that you find the right resource, not only someone who is technically capable, but a person or company you mesh with, one that understands your business needs and can work with you to arrive at the best solution. Here again, a place to start is Claris.com. Claris maintains a Find a Partner page where you can search their worldwide network of certified firms. You may have specific criteria in mind, such as location, time zone, or even a partner who already has experience in your particular industry. Claris also offers the Ask an Expert program, where you can connect directly with a certified FileMaker expert for guidance, a useful first step before you commit to any particular firm or approach. And speaking for ourselves, Productive Computing is a Claris Platinum Partner firm, and you'll find our name on those lists as well. In fact, our custom development services are built exactly for this kind of relationship. You bring the business knowledge, and we bring the technical execution. If you're ready to hand the technical side off entirely, many organizations in exactly your position start with our maintenance support program. It's a low-commitment way to establish a working relationship with our firm before taking on larger projects. Think of the maintenance program as a test drive. After a few months, you'll know whether we're the right long-term partner, and we'll know your system well enough to serve you effectively. Regardless of which path you choose, there are some immediate steps worth taking right now before you make any decisions. Think of this as your orientation checklist. Find out what version of FileMaker you're running. Open FileMaker Pro and check the About screen. This tells you immediately whether you're on a currently supported version or whether you're running something that Claris no longer supports. This matters more than people realize. Second, locate your license. Do you have an active Claris license? Is it current? Who owns it? Is it tied to an individual who is no longer with the company? Third, find out where your server lives. Is FileMaker Server running on a dedicated machine in your office? Is it hosted by a third party? Or is it running on someone's desktop computer? Fourth, identify if you have admin access. Do you or your associates have the ability to right now go to File and Manage Database? If not, you may not have full access privileges. And in order for any developer to help you, you will need full access credentials. If you don't have them, is there a way of tracking them down? Fifth, look for any documentation. Did the previous developer leave any notes, diagrams, or instructions? Even a rough README file is valuable. If nothing exists, that's important information too. Finally, do a basic backup check. When was the last backup taken? Where are backups stored? Are they automated or manual? A FileMaker system with no recent backup is a liability regardless of which path you choose. None of this requires any FileMaker knowledge. It's simply knowing what you have before you decide what to do with it. And if any of these questions surface concerns, an expired license, an unsupported version, no backups, that's exactly the kind of thing PCI can help you address quickly with our solution health assessment. So, we hope that this video has been helpful for you, providing options for resources and next steps to get there. Feel free to reach out based on the information you see here on the screen. Thanks for watching.